Coming straight to you.
Bring him. I don't see him. Where the fuck is he at? Bring him.
He's coming, bro. Chill.
Bring him.
I'm trying not to have him snap. Oh, he's big, bro.
Bring him. That nigga's big, man.
Carp, man. This is at least, I say at least a 20-pounder. Just from the way he's fighting, I'm trying to just keep him right here. He's trying to keep running off.
Bro, that nigga's huge, man. Bring him.
He's trying to keep running off, guys. I'm trying to keep him right over here. Get him, bro.